Hello, this is a worksheet for you to practice, and in this worksheet you'll find there are multiple operations which have to be done for a rational function. Rational function has got two polynomials, polynomials in numerator, polynomials in denominator, and we have here product and then here sum, right? So you should do the brackets first, and you know how to do it. You need to factor the denominators and then find the greatest common factor, and then do as you do rational numbers, right? So operations are very similar to that. I would like you to copy this question, try it on your own, and then check with the solution which I am just going to give. Or you can just pause the video here for a moment, do your solution, and then go ahead. Well, here is the solution, okay? This is how we are going to continue with it. So let's start. So first thing is we'll leave this, there's nothing common here and it cannot be factored. So let me just write this as it is. X plus 4 over 4x minus 17. So this expression is equal to this, and within bracket x plus 3 cannot be factored anything further, so we just write x plus 3. This is a quadratic equation, right? And here we can use our product and sum technique. So what should be the product? We are looking for a product of minus 21 and a sum of minus 4. Now, when the product is minus 21, the two numbers should be one positive, one negative. The bigger number should be negative because once we add them, we get minus, right? So the numbers should be 7 and 3, out of which 7 is negative, right? Because we want negative 4. So this can be factored as x minus 7 times x plus 3, okay? Now it's a good time to check. So you'll do x times x and get x squared, and you'll do minus 7 times 3. Oh, I wrote 4, but it's 3, right? 7 times 3 is 21 minus, could be checked, right? And the center value you get by adding these two, right? So you get minus 4 plus this one. Now here the numerator can be factored and you can have 3 common and you get x minus 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now let's see how the denominator can be factored. We need a product of 36, right? And a sum of minus 5. Both negative. So one is positive, one is negative, just as in the previous case. So in this case, 9 times 4 is 36. 9 should be negative and 4 positive. Is it okay? So I should write this as x minus 9 times x plus 4. As we did last time, and we did find a mistake. Let's check it again. X squared and 9 times this is minus 36, and 9 minus 4 is perfect. So we'll continue. It seems to be right. This is also a good moment to simplify if we can. Well, x minus 9, these are common factors in numerator and denominator, and so they can be cancelled. So we'll simplify this expression and then move ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we are left with now, let me just push it further, x plus 4 over 4x minus 17, and within bracket, let me rewrite this after cancelling as x minus 7 plus 3 over x plus 4. Is it okay? Now what to do? Tell me. We have to do this addition. What is the greatest common factor between the two? This times this. We'll do that. So we can copy this as such. And here the common factor is x minus 7 times x plus 4. Now this needs to be multiplied by that, kind of cross multiply, right? No need to write 1 here. I'm just writing x plus 4 plus 3 times x minus 7. Now we'll open this and simplify, correct? So we have it. Now this is like x plus 4 divided by 4x minus 17. Now when you do it, let's go one more step. X plus 4 plus 3x minus 21 over, you should not expand the denominator. Keep those factors as such. They'll help you later. You know, if there's a common factor, it can be cancelled. And you can see one. Do you see that? It can be cancelled, right? Yes. So continue the process of simplification. So it is x plus 3x is 4x, correct? And 4 minus 21 gives you minus 17 over x minus 7 times x plus 4. Now here it is a time to look at factors which could be cancelled, and so our rational function can be simplified further. 4x minus 17, 4x minus 17, yes, there it goes, and this with this, and we are left with 1 over x minus 7. Now, tell me, what is an important thing which I missed all throughout, and what should I should have done before cancelling all the factors? Now, a question for you. We found that this is simplified to 1 over x minus 7, right? In true sense, do you think this rational function and this are they exactly same? That's the question. Well, one may be, this is very long, this is so short. Well, that's not the difference I'm looking for. What do you think is the main difference between this rational function and that? Well, there's a huge difference, and that difference is because of restriction. The restriction here is just x cannot be equal to 7. But in the original function, we had so many numbers in the denominator, correct? So when you cancel them, you need to write down all the restrictions. Now, let's write down the restrictions here. X is not equal to which values? We can start from here, right? This is the place where we cancelled out most of our common factors. So, let me do. So here, 4x minus 17, so x is not equal to 17 over 4. Is it okay? This is the first value. Second, x is not equal to 7, right? So we'll write x is not equal to 7. Here, x is not equal to minus 3. Here, x is not equal to 9. Here, x is not equal to minus 4. So those are all the factors which we cancelled, right? And we should, at this time when we cancelled before that, actually write all our restrictions. Well, it's never too late. Now we say that the given rational function can be simplified as 1 over x minus 7, where x is not equal to 17 over 4 or 7, minus 3, 9 and minus 4. So these are the restrictions. So x belongs to all real numbers except these, okay? Such that x is not equal to these numbers. Do you get my point? So this is how we need to do multiple operations on a rational function. I hope you understand the concept. Okay? Thank you.